Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing sound deadener on the Flex. It's all stripped out. We got our stack full of Kilmat, highly rated on Amazon. That's what we're doing today. Got my boy Will here. There he is. We also got Gabe coming over in a little bit. He is super late, but that's what we're doing. Sound deadening the Flex today on Factory Fiction. Alright guys, so just to give you a quick breakdown, what I did was I went ahead and I ordered Kilmat. I tried to do a lot of research on Amazon. This was like the top rated. I went with the 80 mil thickness, which actually is not super thick. It's actually really thin. See if the camera can get that. I mean it's pretty thin, but it's definitely heavy, and I think it'll do a good job. If you kind of look around in here real quick, most of the car actually is already sound deadened, so this is sound deadened. Around the fuel pump is sound deadened. All this though, all this stuff, not so much. Underneath the seats, all is. But I think we're just gonna go right over that stuff. We're just trying to get it nice and solid in here. So yeah, you seeing how it sounds. Obviously it sounds hollow. So we'll come back after. Like I said, we're gonna lay stuff out until Gabe gets here, and then we'll get moving. So there you have it. Watch us work. Alright guys, so I think me and Will pretty much got it all laid out here. We have a general idea, so I think we're going to start with the real flat panels first. Get those in, and then we'll kind of patchwork stuff in. This looks obviously messy. I'm going to cut strips to go around in a circle on the sides of the where the third row folds into, and then I'll do the flat panel. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do this area yet. This is where the air setup is going, my trunk setup. So I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna save some of the Kilmat and send it with when they do the air install. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Watch us work. We're getting it done.
Might be there.
Hey guys, so we've been working on this for a while. Gabe is still not here. So Gabe said he would be here at 11. Will showed up at 11. I went to bed at 6 in the morning. I got up at 10 so that I would be awake at 11. He is still not here. What is it, like 1:30?
1:31.
Dude, 1:31 and he's still not here.
Where you at, Gabe?
So, yeah, man, where you at, brother? So here's where we're at. This is kind of what I got going in the hatch. I'm not doing that there. But all this, Will's cranking on the front. The neighbor's vacuuming, apparently. So, so Will's got this covered. I'm gonna come in and start doing strips in all the negative spaces. We're just gonna keep cranking. there's not a crazy amount to do in this car, even though it's such a big car. So
it's filling up nicely.
Yeah, for sure. It's working really good. Stay tuned to Gabe is here. As soon as we hear him, I'm going to pull the camera and we're going to give him a hard time when he gets here. So stay tuned for that.
Here he is.
All right, guys. So we heard him coming. Here he is. He finally freaking showed up. This freaking guy here. All prettied up. At DC5 Ronin here on IG. He in here.
Had to clean up for his boys.
Had to clean up, get all pretty for his boys.
Look, we finally made it.
Yeah. Hey Gabe, what time did you tell us to be here this morning?
Oh, 11.
11? What time is it now?
I don't know.
1:30? This freaking guy, man. Y'all, if you don't go follow him, go hit him up. DC5 Ronin on IG, man. It's a bad piece. Woo! Y'all pretty and good now, bro?
Yep.
Ready to go? We're almost done, so. All right, man. Well, we're going to give Gabe the breakdown of what we've already done here, so, and then we're going to keep cruising, hopefully get going on it. Hey guys, whoa. Hey guys, so here's an update. I'm getting into the doors here. It's probably pretty close, unless we got a bunch of remnants. I'll probably just piece together little pieces, but as far as getting full sheets, I got 2 full sheets in the front door here. So one up top, one below that brace. Way different. These guys are cranking, filling in all kinds of holes. Hey, hashtag squad, bro. All right, you guys, so I just finished up the doors. These guys are still cranking, filling in gaps. We're getting pretty close though. So Gabe's going along in the door here, filling in all these crevices. Will's going hard in the front there, hard in the paint. And then here I'll show you the driver's door as much as I can. It's basically just feeling around, cutting a piece, trying to get it in there, but I think I got pretty good. Definitely a big difference. I tried shutting the door, and it definitely, I think it sounds more solid. Give her a little shit. I can. So, oh dude, that feels super solid, man. Anyway, we're gonna keep cranking. I think we're really close though, so we'll be wrapping it up pretty quick. So I think we wrapped up Project Sound Deaden, the Flex RS. Give you a little walk around here. Here's in the rear hatch. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this open for now. I want to figure out what's going on with the bag, with the trunk setup. But yeah, man, this I think we're all super happy with how it was to work with. But we got her covered, man. It's looking nice and solid, about as solid as it could. I did all the doors. We did some strips up in the ceiling there, about as much as you could. And then, if you guys remember from the video how terrible it was to take this part off, but I did what I could up in here too, where I could reach. But yeah, man, I would say Kilmat got my thumbs up. Good stuff. The 80 mil, it's a really good price. Works really good. I think I'm really happy with it. We'll have to see. The doors shut, definitely nice and solid. So I'm super happy with that. Big thanks to these guys. Will, shout out Will. Your IG, Will.
Flounder114.
Yeah, at Flounder114 on IG if you want to see some sick pictures of that SI sedan we got going there. We got Gabe up in here. Gabe, check out his YouTube. What's your YouTube, Gabe?
DC5 Ronin.
At like DC5 Ronin.
Just like the Instagram.
Just like his IG. All right, guys, so check them guys out. Show some love, as always. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, build a community. Share the link, man. Spread the love in the car community. Keep it positive. Remember, at Factory Fiction, we are modified culture. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.